Forecast Back Forecast USDJPY, tips for beginner traders for October 8th US. Session trade analysis and recommendations on the premium article will be available in 000008.10.2025 p.m. The premium article will be available in 000008.10.2025 p.m. Trade analysis and recommendations on the Japanese yen. The price test of 152.58 in the first half of the day occurred at a moment when the MACD was just beginning to move upward from the zero mark, which confirmed the correct entry point for buying the dollar in continuation of the bullish trend. As a result, the pair rose by 35 points. The market is preparing for important interviews. Traders will pay special attention to the statements of FOMC members Michael S. Fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access, getting information first. Get